How to remove about blank page on startup of Chrome. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first open your browser and then tap on this three dot, then go to settings. After that, you will see an option of start on startup. Go over there and then instead of selecting on a specific page or set of pages, if you have if you have set up about page over here, what you will have to do is select open the new tab page, or if you want to continue where you left off, simply select the second option, and like that you will not get the about blank page when you start your Chrome browser. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.